point munda na gusikabusia sorobo tironde ni yongo kumenya buna mnenchere yamo yogoikerania eganga ya serikali yensi ya Kenya YOGOSIMEKA EMETE CHIBIRIONI 15 wikera umwaka w'ikirubere 32 iri gukora umuchando b'Ogoonchoreria Kwerire nigo litkoria rere kiumbe ya scouts ibe skuru yoboroso ya Kisi bakobwaterana ne skuru ya maigirio yobobundi ya Kisi ense yoboteneneri bw'ekiumbe ya Kenya Forest Service basimika EMETE emyeyamo rero likonekia obuya bw'EMETE emeye skuru yoboroso ya Kisi.
Steve Maraga is the deputy principal Kisi Comprehensive School, and today we are privileged to conduct a tree planting exercise in our school, and we are doing this because it is the mission of the government to plant at least 15 billion trees by the year 2032. So this is a very good initiative because it encourages at least every Kenyan to plant trees every year, and every Kenyan is encouraged to plant 10 trees per month. If we do this, we can achieve targets of 15 billion trees each year. We do this to mitigate the effects of climate change. We can all bear witness that the climate change is impacting negatively to everybody, not only here in Kenya, but in the global village. So we, the Kenyans, have a duty to do what we can do so that we can mitigate the effects of climate change. And it's because of that reason we partner with other stakeholders. Like now, today we have the National Polytechnic here with us, and we're also guided by the departments which put the environment as the Kenya Forest Service. So we, the scouts of Kisi Comprehensive School, are always ready because matters environment are our #1 priority. So whenever we get a partner who brings us trees, we are very happy, we welcome them to bring them so that we can join hands together and we can do what it takes to do tree planting, to make it a reality. So we thank everybody who is involved in tree planting, and we need to anybody who is able to give us seedlings to do so, because together we can. Scouts bravo!
Bo!
Scouts bravo!
Bo!
Ao!
Ao!
Thank you very much.